Hey there, folks. Today I'm going to share with you a fantastic kitchen hack that will keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean. There's a really good reason why you should put charcoal like this in your fridge. But stop. You shouldn't just toss charcoal in your fridge like that, or it will just make a mess. Yes, I'm talking about conventional charcoal, the same kind you use for barbecuing. Next time you buy charcoal for your BBK, save a few pieces for this fridge trick. Here's what you need to do. Take a small bowl and place the charcoal pieces in it so you don't have to put them directly in the fridge. Now, take this bowl of charcoal and put it somewhere in your fridge where it won't get in the way. By doing this, you can leave it in your fridge for an extended period. But why should you put charcoal in your fridge at all? What's the advantage? Charcoal has a fantastic ability to absorb odors. Since various foods in the fridge can sometimes cause unpleasant smells, charcoal comes to the rescue. Now your fridge won't smell that way anymore, thanks to the charcoal. So give it a try and enjoy a fresher smelling fridge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors in your fridge